Have you ever struggled to explain a software bug over email, feeling frustrated? In a remote work world, screen recording becomes an essential tool for effective communication. The demand for screen recording applications is skyrocketing, projected to reach $2.1 billion by 2031. Professionals across various industries need effective ways to share knowledge and record tutorials. Many people shy away from traditional software due to complicated setups and high resource usage. Imagine the ease of a Chrome extension that allows you to capture your screen effortlessly. No more heavy installations, a good Chrome extension can simplify your recording tasks. What makes a screen recording extension so advantageous? Let's explore its compelling benefits. With the right extension, you can create tutorials, document issues, or record meetings instantly. Chrome extensions offer lightweight solutions, working directly in your browser without slowing you down. Accessibility is crucial. No matter where you are or which device, recording remains simple. Here are 10 outstanding Chrome screen recording extensions that can revolutionize your work. First up is TruePeer, known for its user-friendly installation and advanced features. With just one click, you can record high-quality videos and enhance them with AI capabilities. TruePeer allows instant sharing and supports numerous languages, making it versatile and effective. Next is Loom, a favorite among professionals, offering hassle-free recording and easy sharing options. Loom's AI features are evolving quickly, providing automatic transcription and clarity in communication. Join over 14 million users who appreciate the seamless integrations Loom brings to the table. Then we have Screencastify, an intuitive tool that integrates beautifully with Google Drive. Whether you're an educator or a content creator, Screencastify makes information sharing effortless. ScreenPal comes next, trusted by major corporations, packing comprehensive tools for video creation. Capture your webcam, add annotations, and create engaging videos that can truly captivate. Nimbus Capture stands out with flexible features allowing capture of entire web pages and quick edits. Vidyard simplifies video creation with tracking capabilities, ideal for engaging communication and presentations. Dropper ensures easy file sharing, along with cloud storage that keeps your workflow smooth. With Vimeo Record, fast communication meets straightforward organization of your video folders. ClickUp Clips combines recording and project management, offering insights that help you stay on task. Hippo Video empowers businesses to create rich, interactive videos that engage viewers effectively. Each of these tools provides unique features tailored to fit the various needs of users. Choose the right screen recording extension for seamless video creation and effective communication. TruePeer's innovative features can transform how you engage your audience across numerous platforms. Ready to elevate your communication? Start recording with TruePeer and unleash your creative potential.